भैया R15 modified.
Modified R15.
View is amazing. Ikkada. This is an old magazine cover. Alright, so right now we are out for a very short spin. As you people know from my Instagram, Gautam has got his new RS457. You'll also be seeing that in this vlog. This is not even a planned ride. So as we stay nearby, Gautam, John and me, we just had a very impromptu plan of going out and not even sure where we are going. So currently I'm only heading towards John's place, and from there we'll go to Gautam's home. We'll pick him up and let's see where we go. So that's John, and he's on his Kawasaki Z650 RS. Here on will be following him. I didn't even keep my phone for maps. We'll just follow him until Gautam's home, and maybe there we'll decide where we are supposed to go. So here goes the lineup. Not exactly a lineup, but three of us. This is our RT. Then we have this Z650 RS and RS457 that is streaming right now. Yeah, that's the RS457. That's Gautam's son. Low ground clearance issues. He's here getting his XP95. भैया इसमें भी फुल टैंक XP95.
XP95 इस पे इसमें गलती से नॉर्मल वाला डाल दिया, मेरा फट गया हालत.
डाल दो इसमें XP95, मैं भी व्हीली मारूंगा.
आज 8.72 लीटर है बना किया फुल.
So yeah, now Gautam also got his full tank, and now we are just heading towards the opposite side of the road to grab some drinks. There's a 24/7, so we'll just have some water and a few drinks, and still not decided where are we going. Let you know. We'll very quickly grab some water and drinks to hydrate ourselves, and then we'll probably decide where to go. Mostly we'll be going towards next restaurant. Yeah, we'll grab something to drink from here, and maybe one small bad news: I forgot to charge my GoPro since this was very impromptu ride, and my GoPro went out of charge. We came to Necklace Road. There was a lot of traffic, and meanwhile I was charging my GoPro in the bag with my power bank. अच्छा नहीं ठीक है, फिर मैं निकलता हूँ फिर. गुड नाइट. हाँ घर जाने के बाद मैसेज करना. So basically we happen to miss them. They left and currently heading towards home, and they're heading towards their home. That's it with today's vlog. Very short and with disconnections because quite impromptu vlog, and I couldn't charge my GoPro well before starting. Alright, let's meet you all in the next vlog. Until then, stay safe, ride safe.